my channel. I am back today with another cereal review, and I am really excited about today's review because I've been hearing so much about Magic Spoon cereal, and you guys know I have been on a quest to find the perfect keto cereal. My last review, the Snack House Fruity Rubble cereal, was absolutely delicious, but it did knock me completely out of ketosis when I had two of the 2/3 servings. So one serving of it just didn't fill me up. I would have to just pair it up with something else. Well, sometimes I just want to eat cereal. So hopefully today I have found what I have been looking for in just cereal alone. Something that is also filling and delicious. So we're going to be giving all 4 of the Magic Spoon flavors a try today. We've got blueberry, we've got cocoa, we've got frosted, and we've got fruity flavors. So stick around and I'm going to let you know if these are a yes or a no. So first up, we are going to try the fruity flavor, okay? I've never tasted any of these, so I'm gonna be doing it for the first time with you guys. So let's give the fruity flavor a try. If I can get it open. That smell just hit me. The smell just hit me, and oh man, I'm loving the smell. It reminds me of my childhood. All right, let's take a look. All right, so they are O's. They are fruity O's. Can you guys see the fruity O's? All right, so first I'm gonna taste them dry. Oh man. I immediately like this. I immediately like this. Let's look at the macros. 1 serving of this. 1 serving size is 3/4 cup. Okay. Let's take a look at that. All right, here we go. 1 serving size is 3/4 cup. So I'm gonna pour 3/4 cup in here. That's too much. I wish. All right, so this is 3/4 cup, all right, a teeny bit more than the Fruity Rubble from the other brand, all right? So that's that's okay. That's okay, we'll see. We shall see. So we know what 3/3 cup looks like. All right, so guys, let's go ahead and let's give this a taste. Of course, you know I got my almond milk, always and forever. My unsweetened, vanilla-flavored almond milk. All right, so it was good dry. I can only imagine it's gonna be even better with this milk. Oh man. Y'all. I found the one. You guys, I have found the one. So per serving, this 3/4 cup serving is 3 net carbs, okay? And I can get with that. I'm so happy right now. Next up is the frosted flavor. Now I'm not gonna pour myself 3/4 cup of that. I'm just going to taste a little bit of it dry and then a little bit of it with this cereal, but I'm not gonna get another full serving of it. But I am so pleased with the fruity flavor. I'm telling you, oh the joy. Joy. This smells sweet. All right, so same thing. We have the O's shaped like Cheerios. That's what it's shaped like. Okay. It's slightly sweetened. Not too much, which is perfect, but just enough. Just enough. Your toddler and your kids would definitely like the amount of sweetness on here. So I'm just gonna put a little bit in, just a little bit, so I can taste it with the almond milk. So far, so good. I'm really liking this. Yeah. Magic Spoon, where have y'all been? Macros are about the same as they were, with the fruity flavor. 10 total carbs, 1 coming from the dietary fiber. But again, this is 3 net carbs per serving. Okay? This is another good one. I mean, yeah, thumbs up. Next up, blueberry. Macros, pretty much the same. Let's give this one a try. I mean, I can smell the blueberry already. I haven't even opened the package. I can smell the blueberry. Yeah, this smells really good. It's shaped like the other ones. It's shaped like, you know, Cheerios. It's got the O's, the O shapes. And it's got the blue color. More like blue purple, purpley, like. All right, so let's give this a taste. Tastes like blueberry. Lightly sweetened. The thing I'm loving about the Magic Spoon cereal as well is that they're light. I know the Catalina Crunch was a bit heavy, and it's like when it says it's a crunch, it's a crunch. It's a harder cereal. This one right here, all of theirs so far has been really, really light tasting and easy to chew. I'm just gonna get myself a little bit. Again, so far so good. Myself a little bit more. Almond milk. Yeah, I'm loving this one too. I've never had a blueberry cereal. And this is good. Y'all, I'm so happy. Yes, I'm so happy right now. It tastes good. It has a blueberry taste, very lightly sweetened. It's a light cereal, and it just tastes good. It tastes good. That's it. It tastes good. All right. Lastly, we've got the cocoa. Now, I saved the cocoa for last. I have never, ever been big on cocoa flavored cereal. I just never have, even as a child. But from what I understand, cocoa flavor can also turn your milk chocolatey, so that's why I saved it for last for one. And I love chocolate, but I've never enjoyed chocolate cereal or even ice cream. I'm not even a chocolate ice cream lover. So, smells like cocoa. Definitely, you can definitely smell the cocoa flavor in there. So, just a few of those. Again, these are shaped like all of the others, just like Cheerios. Look at that. All right, let's give this a taste too. Tastes like cocoa. I'm gonna have a little bit more milk. Again, if you like chocolate cereal, then you're gonna love this. I have never liked chocolate cereal of any kind. So that's just me. It's definitely turning my milk. But let's give it a taste with the milk. Yeah. Lightly sweetened, just like all of the others. It's a very light cereal, very airy, and it has that cocoa taste. So if you are a lover of chocolate cereal and you want a delicious low-carb chocolate cereal, I would definitely recommend this. This is my least favorite flavor because I don't like cocoa cereal of any kind. So, yeah. But Magic Spoon, you guys have brought joy to me on today. Thank you guys so much. Guys, I definitely recommend you all give the Magic Spoon brand a try. I definitely love the blueberry, the frosted, and the fruity flavor. Again, if you love cocoa cereal, you're gonna love the cocoa flavor. I just don't. But I give this brand of cereal 2 thumbs up. It's just good. It has the perfect sweetness, and I don't think I have to search anymore. I think I've ended my search for a delicious, keto-friendly, low-carb-friendly cereal. I have found that in this one right here. And when I want some like more cinnamony type flavors, that sort of thing, I know I can go to some of the other brands. But right now, I am so pleased with Magic Spoon. So thank you guys at Magic Spoon. I give you a thumbs up. Cereal is delicious. And yeah. So guys, I hope this video has helped you. I don't want you to have to spend as much money as I did, you know, finding cereals and searching all of these different brands. When I say that this one is a delicious one, give it a try. I'm almost positive you will not be disappointed. I thank you guys for joining me today. If you are new to Sincerely Legenia, then go on and click that subscription button. I would love for you to become a part of the Sincerely Legenia family. You guys, I will talk to you in the next video. Until then, have a blessed and a prosperous week. Until next time, bye.